Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Don't worry, not a shave, just a little bonus video. I came home from work the other day and it was one of those days. Check this out guys. Hey! Goodies. I thought we'd get an unboxing done. So here we go. Weapon of choice, pink, to make the boys wink. Okay, and here we go. This one, do this one. I can't remember where this is from. Oh, here we go. Check this out now. I ordered a new brush. I saw one that caught my eye. John, Merry Christmas. I love your channel and your obvious passion for wet shaving. Please find a little Christmas present enclosed. I got this, guys. Can you see it there? Let me get it right so you can see it. My eyesight and my camera is atrocious. I will read it out for you. It's www.3dshaving.etsy.com. So it's 3dshaving.etsy.com. And you can email him at 3dshaving@gmail.com. There you go. And there's a little company logo. 3D Shaving. And I saw the little brush. And here it is. I will be using this very soon. I have no idea what it's like. Well, I can tell you straight out of the bat, it feels very good quality. Look at this, wrapped in a nice, look at that for presentation, guys. Wrapped in a nice little, ta-da! Check this out. Wow, hey, that knot is really good. Wow. Well, that's very, very soft. That's a nice knot. Check that out, guys. I think it's a 24mm. There you go. And I think it's a 3D printed handle. Do you remember the screwdrivers? I think it's a screwdriver handle. Looks fantastic. Cracky little brush. I've got a nice little shave planned for that for the future. And he threw a little something in. Sorry, I emailed me and I forgot his name and the email's on the phone that I'm recording this on. I'm so sorry. I forgot. But check this out, guys. That's very nice. Look at this. And I actually need, I'm assuming that's blade storage. And boy do I actually need some blade storage. That is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. 3D printing on Etsy. There you go. Check him out and you can get a nice brush like that. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with that brush. I like that. Hey, and the prices are extremely reasonable as well. So look forward to using that. So that was the first one. Next one. Here we go. Who's this from? What does it say on it? Oh, shaving time. Yeah, there you go. I'm just trying to drag the video out, guys, so it's not over in like 94 seconds. Here we go. Shaving time. Peanuts. Oh. Oh my word, right. This is huge. I didn't realise when I ordered it how big it was. Just stay there a minute, I'm going to get something for contact. Here we go. Let's check this out. That's my rubber set 400, razorock 400, should I say. There, beautiful 26mm noir knot. Wonderful. Check this. Hey, look at that, hey? Look at that. That's a brush. Oh, here we go. Oh, guys, it's gigantic, look. Look at this. Oh, man, razorock F400 in red. Hey, King Kong's brush, this. Right, let's get some context on the go. Look at that. It's a behemoth, but it's very, very soft. Very nice. It'll just be like lather up. Okay, on with the shit. Anyway, that's it. There's my unboxing. I'm all excited. I got some other stuff as well. I got one of them watches you put on a tracky thing. New trainers for the gym. Do I look thinner? 4 days I've been on this diet. It's like torture. It is. I said to my wife and daughter, I don't need to join a gym. And I got that. You know that look where you think, oh, it'd be easy to join. Yeah. We're married. We all know the look, don't we, guys? Anyway, thanks for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll see you tomorrow for the Saturday shave. Look after yourself, guys. Bye.